With robotics rapidly evolving to AI decision or driven decision making to advanced perception, how is Schneider Electric prioritizing which capabilities to industrialize and which to live on the R&D pipeline?
Very good question. We're continuously looking to see where technology is. Today, I would say what we are embedding in our software platforms is Gen AI, which is enabling engineers to be more efficient with their time, taking some of that monotonous code generation by simply saying, hey, I need to be able to create code for a specific function, and having a tool like Copilot bring back code to say, here you go. And then we can make modifications to that code by adding in more detail from time to time. But outside of that, we're keeping our eye on the pulse of technology, and we are making those tough decisions, which ones to add in, which ones to leave in the R&D room.